What do you recommend? My Amazon product is priced at $28.99 and the average CPC is $195. Tough. I have tried reducing the bids, but it did not help. Even when I get orders, my ACOS remains high. If I stop advertising, I don't get any orders. How can I overcome this situation and what do you recommend I do? So right now, you said that I have tried reducing the bids. Very important on what are you reducing the bids. Whenever you're reducing the bids on things that already prove that it's working, but it's just expensive, that is a different bucket than reducing the bids for things that already you tried and it did not work. So first question here is, did you reduce the bids for the things or did you pause the things that did not work already? Because that already on an account level, it's going to reduce your ACOS. So that's the first question. Second question is going to be, are these automatic campaigns that we define discovery campaigns? So they are going to bring more searches than just the one exact term, or are these exact match keywords? Because if they're exact match keywords, there you can reduce the bids. And then if you're reducing the bids, you're not going to show up clearly. However, it means that is how expensive it is, that keyword. And then the rationale there is going to be, if I have 5 keywords that I'm competing for, can I at least afford to go for 2 keywords or 3 keywords even, and not for all 5 of them? Because keep in mind that just because you have the one keyword, the rest of the keywords might be interacting differently. So what I would do here, if I have at least 5 keywords that I'm targeting in exact match and want to see the outcome, then I would look into, all right, for those 5, what is my CPC? Because you're saying the average CPC. Now, for the one exact keyword that is describing your product, that it's making sales, what is the return on that one? And at least get like step by step a bit of market share, a bit more orders. And now if you've done that, the next thing that I would be doing, also look into, can you target your competitors? Is async targeting more profitable for you? Because that is also one tip that you can do there. And maybe it's a CPC for that. It's going to be less expensive.